Alrighty guys, today we're gonna draw a super kawaii piece of pizza. So we're gonna start off with the eyes of our pizza. That's a funny sentence. Yes, our pizza does have eyes. That's what makes it cute. We're gonna draw two humongous circles. So the key to making our drawing super duper cute is to give it giant eyeballs. So we're gonna draw two big circles, and then inside of those circles, we're gonna draw another circle. So circle, 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 and then another circle, circle. But these two are smaller than the other ones. And then once you've drawn all those circles, we can go ahead and color in the biggest circle. So color in the biggest circle, leave the two smaller ones white. Trust me on this, it's gonna make it so cute. As you can see, it's taken me a while to color it in. Please don't rush. Please don't scribble. Please don't go, oh no, I'm gonna run out of time and I wanna keep up with the tutorial, I better hurry. It's okay. It is okay. If you gotta pause the video until you're done coloring, that is totally fine. If you're going at like the pace I'm going, also great. There's no rush. I'd rather you take your time and make it pretty and beautiful than go super fast and then scribble and not like your drawing. That would make me sad. I want you to like your drawing. So yeah, just take your time. This is like the most time intensive part of the whole drawing. But once you're done, we can go ahead and draw his little mouth. So we're gonna draw a little W and then a little semicircle under it. Look at that face. Is that not the cutest little pizza slice you've ever seen? Then we got this curved line on the top. That's gonna be for the crust. Then we're gonna bring it down. And then on the other side, we're gonna bring it down until the two lines meet. Is it starting to look like pizza now? Yeah. All right, we got our triangle for our pizza slice. Then we just gotta add those little details on the inside. So in order to make it look like there's crust on this pizza, we gotta add one more curved line. Oh yeah, one more curved line. And then I want this pizza to be pepperoni. And then we gotta add this wiggly line for the sauce. Because we all know if you want good pizza, you gotta have good dough, you gotta have good sauce, you gotta have good cheese. And I'm adding pepperoni slices, like I said. So kind of do like a mixture of circles and semicircles or half circles. And some of them are big, some of them are small. Not every slice of pepperoni is made the same. So you can add these if you want. If you're like, I don't like pepperoni pizza, then you can skip this part and just make it cheese. Or you can put mushrooms on it, or whatever your heart desires, you can put on your pizza. So that's all there is to it. And this is what it looks like when I colored it all in. I did yellow for the cheese, red for the pepperoni and the sauce, and then brown for the crust. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye for now.